Hi, hello everyone. This is Chandana MN. Today I am speaking about HTML tags. What is HTML and what are the features and disadvantages and structure of the HTML? Today I am going to explain all these topics. First is that contents. Here, as I said before, introduction, structure of element, features of HTML, disadvantages, advantages of HTML. Today we are discussing in this video. First is that introduction. What is HTML? What HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of web pages using markup. As HTML itself describes markup language, here HTML describes the web pages using markup. HTML elements are usually represented by tags. HTML stands for markup language creation web pages, creating the web pages. HTML and web pages are interlinked where HTML languages are used for creating the web pages. Here is the example where P is a paragraph and this content is the where the actual paragraph like an example can be given like welcome, hello world, everything what are the paragraph here is given that need to be printed here. And next is that structure. What are this structure is very important in computer languaging. While writing the program, it's very difficult for someone to understand the structure, understand the program, and to write the program. Hence, the structure of the program is very important. It plays a very important role in the programming language. While we are looking for the HTML structure of HTML, here it is. First is that document type. What is the document we are using here? First will be given, and next is HTML and header. In other programmings like Java and C program, we will use HTML as include, mat dot, include, etc. etc. will be given. And here is a title. In other programmings like as I said before, and in other Java and C++, we will use void main and class type will be declared here. There, in the similar way, here we are using the title of the HTML program. It is, and this title is based on the a program which is given to us. Next is that header, and again it is a header and body of the content. Body of the content here describes the visible parts like hyperlinks, web web pages, etc. And H1. H1 is the, as I said, it is a header where it is from H1 to H6 where where the headers can be given. Like example, the best example is that here in the place of this is the heading, we can use the welcome to SVC, hello world, welcome to Chanakya section, and etc. can be given. It should be from H1 to H6. And similarly, the paragraph. This is a paragraph where the printing the the things which need to be printed will be given here in this P. It is mainly for paragraph, and again it's the body of the program, and again it's HTML. What are the features of HTML? HTML is the basic language. It is very simple and user friendly, and it is platform independent, local storage, and canvas for development. media, and it also supports the media. Compared to other programming like Java programming, C++, Python, it here HTML is very simple language, and it is easily understandable, and it is user friendly also. One without knowing any basic features of any other program, if they know about the HTML, they can easily understand any other languages. What are the advantages and disadvantages of HTML? HTML, as I said before, it is very simple to understand, and it is completely free. Anyone can understand this language, and anyone can easily analyze this language and easily implement this language, and can achieve many and can develop many other programmings, the gaming programmings, etc. can be developed here. And every browser, that is browsers in browsers uh, will support this HTML, while for other programming language only very few browsers gonna support this HTML, but for support that Java and C programming. But here every browser supports this HTML, and it is simple to edit also, and it is simple to edit, and it can be run easily. And what are the disadvantages of this HTML? It is restricted security, means and everyone can access this HTML. There is no security for this HTML, and it has an extensive code where the codes will be around 2 to 3 pages. Some around and thousands lakhs to together of words will be used. It is very difficult for someone to go through this code, and it is a static language. And it is a static language means here only one fixed language it is having. It cannot be changed, the language, the language cannot be changed here. And it also has a reliance issues also, and it is very limited or for the display content, or for the display content here. For display content, uh, only the few of content we are using will be limited. We can't extend the limit of displaying the content. These are the disadvantages of HTML. Where there is advantages, there is also disadvantages also. uh, and here is the introduction of HTML. In later on in videos we will learn more about is HTML. Thank you.